Alright guys, it is windy here on the farm, and this is episode 10 of restoring this old mobile home. Today I'm going to be focused on this area here, and I'm going to focus on from about where that metal is, and then just past that window. And I'm going to put a new door in here. Well, it's actually an old door. I found the door in the barn, and the door jamb is there, but it's not good, so I'm going to build a new door jamb based on the other door jamb to kind of match it up. And I'll use the bottom. I'll just go show you. Just go over here. I started cleaning it up in here a little bit, just in this area here. I'm gonna do, oh, there's the boss. I'm gonna do little by little, get everything cleaned up. There was a bear that went through here and just destroyed all my honey supers. So, I managed to save a few, but a lot of them, as you can see, got wrecked. So this is the door jamb here that I'm talking about. I'm gonna save this bottom piece. I'm gonna build everything else because this is pretty rotten. And I'm not too sure if I'm gonna use that door or the door in the other house. I'll show you what I want to do there. Trying to burn as much as I can today to get rid of some of this mess that's here. And this little one right here, Roja, she's chewing everything and just dragging stuff all over the place. So it's keeping me on my feet. I did clean out this area here. We got a chicken in here, rooster. So it's fairly clean. Something I think I'll rebuild. It is, see, look at that. Chewing everything. So over here, this is that old house. Now, I was initially gonna rebuild that old house there and redo the whole thing, but it's so far gone that I just gave up on it, and that's why I'm doing the mobile home. The mobile home is on a solid frame, and this thing, it was quite the mess inside, I'll tell you. Oh, lots of animals got in there, but there's a lot of material I could salvage in there. So I'll just show you. I moved the truck over here because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull 2x4s out of here, and I might use this door here. Rose is my shadow. She follows me everywhere, and she even goes on truck rides with me. Oh, let's get past here. Guess I didn't have to park that close. So I was thinking about using this door as well. I'm not too sure. I'll check and see which door is the best door for me. This is inside here. There's a lot of good wood, a lot of good 2x4s, a lot of good electrical wire. And then as you can see, I'll just show you over here. See where it's split right in there? Everything is split. Lots of animals. You can see animal crap there. Split there. It's just, this is too far gone. It's rotten. It's just gross. So I am going to take this wood. This wood here is still good. These are 2x4s, which are good. I thought maybe they were like actual 2x4s, but they aren't. They're 3.5 by 1.5, so that's good. And so I'm gonna dismantle everything. I'm gonna salvage this plywood that's on here as much as I can. You can see there's some water damage there. I'll cut that out, but for the most part, I'll use a lot of that because it's free. So, and really it's not free because I paid for it on the property, but still. So So what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to put you on time lapse like I normally do, and we're going to get to tearing out these balls. Well, let's push her down. Number 2. the jungle out here, guys. Woo. Well guys, I wish I could leave you a little bit more of the video, but I've run out of time. This is kind of a cliffhanger. I took that up, I cleaned that door up, I did a little bit of other things around the property, and took some walls out of there as you can see in the video. And so I'm going to leave this video here. It's not a complete video by all means, but it's where I am right now, and tomorrow is another work day, so I won't be able to do any videoing for another week. So this is where I'm going to leave it. I took that little piece of metal off and cleaned up this door that I found in the barn. I was going to take a door off of the old house, but this one was in way better shape. It was just needed some TLC. I am going to paint it, sand all that down and paint this chipping, and I'll repaint it. And also the seal in the window is gone, so moisture gets behind it, so I'm going to have that redone as well. The dogs have been eating. I found out a better way of keeping Roja from just gobbling up all of her food. So what I do is put half a bottle of water into her dish, and then I put the dog food in there. It seems to slow her down a bit. Just a little vacuum, and also do is puke it up. And yeah, so right now I'm going to get that door inside. I don't want it out in the weather. And I'm going to feed the cat. So anyways guys, thanks for tuning in. It's always a pleasure having you guys watch my videos, and I really appreciate it, and I look forward to your comments. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next one.